Hey there. As part of my ongoing series on online income methods, today we're diving into print on demand, a perfect opportunity for creative people who want to sell custom designs without handling inventory or shipping. Let's dive into how this business model works.
Print on demand might be another good opportunity for you, especially when you are a creator and when you like to create a unique design for t-shirts, mugs, or even a phone cases. The good thing about this business model is that you can do it without handling inventory. Let me explain how it works. So print on demand is an online business model where you sell custom designed products without handling inventory or shipping. Basically, you create a unique design and upload them to the POD platforms like printful.com, teespring.com, or redbubble.com. These platforms let you apply your design to stuff like t-shirts, mugs, or even phone cases. So when a customer places an order, the POD company prints the design on the product and ships the stuff directly to the customer. You don't have to buy a stock in advance. The product is made only when someone orders it. Then your profit comes from the difference between the retail price and the base cost set by the POD service. This business is great for creatives who want to sell their artwork or a design without investing into inventory. To learn more about this business model, platforms like printful.com or even the teespring.com offer free resources on how to get started. The pros is that there are no upfront costs, and it's also a great way how to generate a passive income. On the other hand, the cons, there is a competitive market and it also takes time to get sales.
Have you tried print on demand before? Or maybe you're a designer thinking about getting started. Share your experience or questions in the comments below. If you want to explore other ways to make money online, check out my full guide where I cover 9 other methods. The link is in the description. Remember, while the market is competitive, print on demand can be a great way to generate passive income if you have unique designs that stand out. See you in the next video.